Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will guide you through mastering keyboard shortcuts for navigating the Kali Linux operating system like a professional. These tips will help you work efficiently and take your skills to the next level. And if you are new here, check out my previous videos where I showed how to set up a Linux lab using either VMware or VirtualBox, an essential foundation for what we will be covering. And don't forget to like, subscribe, or turn on notification for my future videos. So as I told you, the video will be focusing on the mastering the keyboard shortcuts. So let me first give you a brief idea about the Linux terminal. So the Linux terminal is a command line interface or CLI that allows users to interact with the Linux operating system directly by commands. It is a powerful tool for system administration, software development, and troubleshooting as well. It also helps to perform many IT tasks very efficiently and quickly rather than the graphical user interface. So as a professional, you have to know how to use the CLI using command. So let's have a look at the first command. The first command is to open the Linux terminal. So for that, you have to press on Ctrl-Alt-T. So as you can see, a new terminal window opened up. So if I keep on pressing this will keep on creating new window. So, and then if you want to open a terminal in another tab, for that you have to press on Ctrl-Shift-T. So as you can see, this will keep on creating new tab. And if you want to close those tab, for that you have to press on Ctrl-Shift-W. So this will keep on closing the tab. So if you want to create a horizontal division in the terminal, for that you have to click on Ctrl-Shift-D. As you can see that this has created a horizontal division. So now if I want to create a vertical division, for that you have to press on Ctrl-Shift-R. So now you can see that the vertical division has been created. So if I press on again Ctrl-Shift-R, this will keep on creating the vertical division. So now if I want to close these vertical divisions and horizontal divisions, for that I have to press Ctrl-Shift-E. So this will close the divisions that has been created. Now if you just want to copy any command in the terminal, so for that you have to select it first and then click on Ctrl-Shift-C to copy anything in the terminal, within the terminal. So now if I just open a new tab, now if I press on Ctrl-Shift-V to paste, as you can see, this has pasted the command. So ignore the command, I will explain the command later on my videos. So now if I ping this IP address, so as you can see, this has been sending the ICMP packets. So to stop this function, you have to press on Ctrl-C to stop the process running in the terminal. And now the next command is how to pause a process. For example, if I'm pinging to this IP address and I just want to pause the process, for that I have to press Ctrl-Z to pause the process. And now you can see the text size of the terminal is very small and it's difficult to read. So if I just want to increase the size of the text, for that I have to click Ctrl-Shift+. So as you can see, the text is increasing. So if I just want to decrease, then I have to press Ctrl- on my keyboard to decrease the size. The next shortcut is the tab key. As I told you before, the Linux terminal is quite intelligent. So if you type any command and if you press on the tab key, this will autocomplete the command for you, as you can see. And also, if I press the tab key 2 times, this will show me all the possible outcomes of the command. For example, you can see. And the other shortcut is the relocation of the tab. So if I just open a new tab, so as you can see, I just open a new tab in new window. So if I just want to move this on the left hand side, so I have to click on the super key and then the left arrow key. As you can see, this has moved on the left side. And simultaneously, if I also want to move this one, I have to select this one and then click on the super key and left hand side, left arrow key. So you can see that this is working. So whichever side you want to put the windows on, so you can do that. The other shortcut is if you type the reboot on the terminal, this will restart the system for you. For example, I'm typing reboot and pressing enter. So as you can see, the Linux machine is rebooting. So I will be pausing my video over here since this is going to take some time. So now I will be showing you the up arrow key in the keyboard. So you can use the up arrow key to see what previous command you have typed before. So if I use the up arrow key, you can see the previous comments are being shown up, which is in the history of the Linux system. So this way you can keep on going up. And I want to end the video with one shortcut, which is the I90. This is going to turn off my system. And in my later videos, I will be showing you how to navigate through the Linux systems and what command you are going to type to change directories, copy file, move file, and all those. So till then, stay safe. Goodbye.